So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, guys. Like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update will be dropping for you guys. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now, before we take a trade, we need to know these two rules of trading. Remember, always have these two rules in the back of your mind. First rule of trading is know your trend. The second rule of trading is trade with the trend. So first you would want to know your trend, then you have to trade with the trend. So what can we say the trend is on our GBPJPY? So you can clearly see it right here. GBPJPY is an uptrend move, right? So market has been pushing up. It has been giving us a series of higher and higher, right? So now let's zoom it in right here. So guys, pay attention to this movement so you understand it. This is your high. You can see push up, then it was able to pull back to form an higher low. Market was able to push up again to form an higher high, then it did give pull back to form an higher low. Market was now able to push up again to form a new higher high, then pull back to form an higher low. So this is the higher low. Now market is now pushing up, which has pushed up to form a new higher high, which took out this previous high right here. So market has now pushed up to take out the previous high. What you should be expecting next on your GBPJPY is a pullback that will form an higher low. So once the pullback which forms an higher low plays out, you can now look to gain for the buy. So right now, a pullback is what you should be expecting on your GBPJPY. Now let's do that to the 1 hour time frame, guys. So guys, expect market to pull back. Once it pulls back, right, you can now start looking to going for the buy. Above all, more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you do not miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.